new for 2018, the Mercedes-AMG E63S is the German brand's midsize, ultra-performance flagship sedan. Equipped with a 603 horsepower twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, this all-wheel drive super sedan is armed with an additional 207 horses compared with the already impressive Mercedes-AMG E43. Unsurprisingly, the all-wheel drive E63S is mind-blowingly quick. More astonishing, however, are the E63's lateral capabilities, which are as impressive as its straight-line speed. In available drift mode disengages the driven front wheels and turns the maniacal Mercedes into a rear-drive monster that's eager to engage in tail-out antics. Left in all-wheel drive, it proved to be the fastest sedan we've ever tested in our annual Lightning Lap competition. Combine all this with the model's communicative chassis, feelsome steering, accommodating interior, and luxurious trimmings, and the result is an exceptional vehicle even in this class of extraordinary machines. After taking a year off, the Mercedes-AMG E63S returns for the 2018 model year and is now based on the latest T-Class sedan. The E63 is only available as a high-powered S-trim, always paired with all-wheel drive. Motivated by a new 603 horsepower twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission tuned to put up with the engine's 627 pounds-to-foot of torque, the E63 once again pushes its power to all four wheels. However, a new drift mode allows the super sedan to send its power strictly to the rear wheels, enabling, nay, encouraging, wild bouts of tail-sliding hooliganism.